All right, so check out this amazing hack for changing the oil on the second gen Tacomas and anything else with that 6-cylinder in it. What you're gonna wanna do, grab your 1-quart container, obviously with the threads on it, just cut the bottom off just like that, and unscrew here. Take your filler neck. This little sucker is the exact same thread, so it'll thread right onto there. Just like so. Once it's nice and tight, get your new container, pop that off, and check this out. Easy. Threads right on, no issue whatsoever. No messing around with janky funnels or anything. Done.